audience. Hi, yay.
Okay. Hello.
Okay.
Okay.
Mark Twain once said, the human race has one really effective weapon, and that is laughter. Not only is what Mark Twain said ring very powerful in the medical society, but it also rings very powerful in the world of alternative medicine, more specifically speaking, humor therapy. With today's ever-growing and changing society, humor therapy has become more and more the answer to people's problems. People are looking for a change in medical treatment for ill patients, new ways to treat old diseases, and new ways to treat the changing ones. What is humor therapy? How does it work, and what are the benefits? These are all probably the questions boggling around in your mind today, and this is what I'm going to answer for you. Humor therapy. First, to get us on the same page, I'll be explaining exactly what humor therapy is. According to the American Cancer Society, humor is the relief of physical or emotional pain and stress. It is used as a complementary method to promote health and cope with illness. Humor therapy can be said to originate from the Old Testament of the Bible in the book of Proverbs, which states that a cheerful heart is a good medicine, but a downcast spirit dries up the bones. A more modern version of humor therapy comes from a man named Norman Cousins, with his 1979 book called Anatomy of an Illness. According to Ken R. Wells of the Encyclopedia for Alternative Medicine, Norman Cousins was a well-known professor of medical humanities at the University of California. Here and in his books, he spread his knowledge and his feelings on the world about humor therapy to the medical society and to people abroad. Now that we all know exactly what humor therapy is, along with its origins, you're probably still wondering how it works. Well, there are several different techniques that can be used to make humor therapy work, so to speak. Many hospitals have set up special treatment rooms for this purpose. In these rooms are humorous materials such as books, comics, CDs, movies, games, puzzles, anything that you can think of that can make you laugh. The rooms are set up to be special just to make you laugh. On occasion, people are actually brought to these rooms to help with the alternative method. What kind of people, you ask? Clowns, of course. Clowns. The Big Apple Circus Clown Care, which is an outreach program, it visits patients at the Children's Hospital in Boston, along with the entire New York metropolitan area, 5 days a week and 50 weeks out of the year. At these hospitals, Dr. Cuckoo and Nurse Gonzo perform kitty cat scans, milk transfusions, and red nose transplants. Who couldn't help but laugh at this? As you see, the clown working with the child, making him laugh. And there we are again with Nurse Gonzo. Now that we know how humor therapy works, we will discuss the benefits of such therapy and this amazing medicine. According to Dr. Lee Burke and Dr. Stanley Tan of Loma Linda University in California, laughing does numerous wonders for the body. Their published studies show that laughing lowers blood pressure, boosts immune function, and increases muscle flexion. Laughing increases your killer cells to attack infected cells, which help promote a better immune system. Laughter dissolves tension, anger, as well as depression. Laughter reduces fear and anxiety, as well as stress levels. According to Dr. Kataria, profound author and founder of LaughterYoga.org, and as well as being an international key speaker, every year $300 billion are spent in the U.S. alone in stress-related compensation claims. In conclusion, humor therapy is an alternative form of medicine using laughter as the answer. It's becoming more and more accepted by people and the medical society as a whole. Who wouldn't want to laugh at a clown or read a good book or laugh at a silly comedian as compared to having an IV stuck in your arm with a sharp needle? Laughter is good for the heart and soul and is now being proven to be good for the body in many different areas. It benefits the ill of the world in countless ways, from treating depression, helping cancer patients, and helping children get well. Humor therapy is a great new resource, so do all yourself a favor today and don't forget to laugh.